Curious about the Nissan Leaf's cluster display and dashboard warning indicators? Wondering what those warning lights and symbols mean? In this video, we'll answer all your questions and help you understand what to do when an alert pops up. Interior view. The dashboard features a modern driver-focused design with a 7-inch digital instrument cluster and an 8-inch touchscreen display. It includes intuitive controls, premium materials, and EV-specific info like range and energy usage. It features an 8-inch touchscreen display with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Nissan Connect. It provides EV-specific information, navigation, and smartphone integration for a seamless driving experience. It features a 7-inch digital driver cluster that displays key EV information such as battery status, range, energy usage, and navigation. It offers customizable views for a more personalized driving experience. It features automatic climate control with an available hybrid heater system for efficient cabin warming. It also includes rear vents and an available heated steering wheel for added comfort. It features an ergonomic, palm-shaped electronic shifter designed for intuitive operation. Its compact design enhances cabin space while allowing seamless transitions between drive modes. It features a tilt-adjustable steering wheel with mounted controls for audio, cruise, and hands-free functions. Higher trims offer a leather-wrapped heated steering wheel for added comfort. The 2024 Nissan Leaf is fully electric, powered by a 110 kilowatt or 160 kilowatt electric motor, depending on the trim. It offers instant torque and a smooth, quiet driving experience with zero emissions. Instrument cluster. Cluster indicators. 12-volt battery warning light, brake warning light, electric shift control warning light, master warning light, seat belt warning light, electronic parking brake indicator light, security warning light, supplemental airbag warning light, slip indicator light, anti-lock braking system, brake system warning light, electric vehicle system warning light, electronic parking brake indicator light, low tire pressure warning light, turn signal and hazard, warning indicators, exterior light indicator light, high beam indicator, high beam assist indicator light, front passenger airbag status light, plug-in indicator light, front fog light indicator light, power limitation indicator light, power steering warning light, rear automatic braking warning light, vehicle dynamic control off indicator light, approaching vehicle sound for pedestrians, off system warning light, automatic emergency braking with pedestrian detection system warning light, ready to drive indicator light.
Safety precautions. Know your symbols. Immediate attention. Don't ignore a flashing symbol. Stop driving for red warning lights. Check manual for unknown symbols. Regular maintenance. cluster awareness. Don't distract yourself. Low visibility of symbols. Use OBD2 scanner for diagnostics.
General instrument cluster symbols. General dashboard warning symbols are designed to help you understand the most common indicators found in all vehicles. Whether you're driving a sedan, SUV, or truck, these symbols play a crucial role in keeping you informed about your vehicle's condition and safety. Knowing what these symbols mean and how to respond can help prevent breakdowns, maintain your car's performance, and ensure your safety on the road. From the check engine light to the oil pressure and battery indicators, each symbol serves as an alert to help you take action before a small issue becomes a bigger problem. Understanding these warnings can give you peace of mind, keeping you aware of potential issues and allowing you to address them promptly. Now let's dive into the most common symbols you may encounter and what they mean for your vehicle. Now that we've covered some of the essential symbols, keep in mind that while many dashboard indicators are universal, some may differ depending on the make and model of your vehicle. It's always a good idea to consult your car's manual for specific meanings and recommendations. Thank you for watching. Remember, staying informed about these warning lights helps you maintain your vehicle's performance and ensures your safety on the road. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more car maintenance tips.